English Catalan, have, equals.
tenir,
Funny mini lesson. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we'll conquer the English Catalan verb, have, with laughs, quick drills, and real lifelines. The magic word is
tenir,
ready to have some fun with have. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll say all key forms with confidence. Your map, infinitive.
tenir,
I have.
tin,
You have, singular.
tu tens,
He has.
ell té,
She has.
ella té,
It has.
té,
We have.
tenim,
You have, plural.
vosaltres teniu,
They have.
tenen.
Mini dialogue, keys panic. Listen, smile, and repeat the punchlines. A. Do you have the keys? B. Wait, that means you have them.
Tu tens,
Less clause. A. Phew, false alarm, I have them.
tinc,
Less clause. Friend, relax, he has the map.
ell té,
El mapa. Another friend, and she has snacks.
ella té,
Apacious. Narrator, our bag? It has water.
té,
Agua. Team, great, we have everything.
tenim,
De tot. Guide to the group. You, plural, have the tickets.
vosaltres teniu,
Lesson trades. Crowd, they have the last two seats.
tenen,
Else dos ultims science. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap as you echo me, keep it bouncy. Say, I have a book. Answer.
tinc un llibre,
Say, do you have time? To one friend? Answer.
tu tens,
Temps? Say, he has a great idea. Answer.
ell té,
Una gran idea. Say, she has the ticket. Answer.
ella té,
L'entrada. Say, it has 5G. Answer.
té,
5G. Say, we have time. Answer.
tenim,
Temps. Say, you, plural, have a table. Answer.
vosaltres teniu,
Una taula. Say, they have two cats. Answer.
tenen,
Dos gats. Culture tip. Castellers. A quick culture bite to lock in the verb. In Catalonia, Castellers build human towers. The team.
tenen,
Forca and trust, and crowds cheer, we have it.
tenim,
Aixo. Use.
tenir,
For possession and set phrases like.
tenen,
Gana, they're hungry. Quiz time. Quick fire, answer out loud, then check. English to Catalan. Have, infinitive. Answer.
tenir,
She has, say it. Answer.
ella té,
Fill the blank. Underscore 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 less clauses equals we have the keys. Answer.
tenim,
Less clause. True or false.
vosaltres teniu,
Means you, plural, have. Answer. True. Quick pick. Which form is, they have?
teniu,
Or.
tenen,
Answer.
tenen,
Challenge mode. Try these real lifelines, beat the pause. Say to a group, you have a discount today. Model.
vosaltres teniu,
Un descompte avui. At a shop. Do they have bread? Model.
tenen,
Pa? At the door. He has the keys, right? Model.
ell té,
Less clause, oi? Brag a bit. I have a plan. Model.
tinc,
Unpla. Wrap up. You nailed it. Nice work. You now have the whole set.
tenir, tinc, tu tens, ell té, ella té, té, tenim, vosaltres teniu, tenen,
Keep practicing a few lines every day. This session was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.